Welcome back and thank you for stopping by. Let's jump right into this repair or upgrade of the torque struts, or also known as Dogbone mounts on the forums. We are taking out the old worn out bushings and installing polyurethane inserts to give the motor a more solid connection to the body. These are very simple to remove as long as you have a jack to support the motor and a couple wrenches. I am using a hacksaw to cut out the center part of the bushing to make it easier to then use a chisel to knock the 4 tabs up on the metal sleeve, then push it out of the strut body. Moving to the smaller bushing, it doesn't have a metal insert, so it's simply knocked out. The old bushings are now out, leaving the bare mount. Edges need smoothing on the larger hole with a file to reduce chances of cutting up the new bushing during the process of pressing it in. I'll post a link in the description for the Prothane kit I used. For these to slide easily into the metal mount, use plenty of silicone spray. Then press the bushing in with whatever you have. I'm using my 6-inch vise. I'm sure you can do the same thing with a wood block and a C-clamp. I took my time allowing the pressure to do most of the work to get the first slip of the bushing into the mount without cutting into it. Once the lip popped itself into the mount, it was easy to finish centering the new bushing with a couple well-placed smacks on the vise. The smaller bushing inserts the same way except has a center lip that lines with a groove on the mount body. Slide in the inner metal bushing and the upgraded strut mount is complete. Don't forget to do both. There is a lower one on the motor and an upper mount on the transmission. And since I lost the removal video, here's the install. Hopefully there's enough to show you how to remove them. There are 2 bolts, one shorter than the other. Shorter bolt mounts the smaller side to the motor bracket. The larger mounts the bushing to the frame bracket. I was also performing some other maintenance, hence the reason why the lower pulley is removed and the frame bracket is loose. No need to do so for this. Last strut mount is the one to the transmission. Again, it is 2 bolts to hold everything in place. It's easier to do with the airbox out of the way. I was trying to make a quick video, so hopefully it succeeded. Thanks for watching this short video. If you like this repair, feel free to subscribe to see more.